How to create Spotify artist account. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with step-by-step guide in order to create up a Spotify artist account. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can head over to spotify.com. You can open a browser and go to spotify.com or even open the desktop application if available. And the first thing you need to ensure is that the music is distributed to Spotify via a distributor, for example, DistroKid, TuneCore, etc. And you can access up the platform. So what we can do is we can just go over and type in artist.spotify.com and hit enter. And that will open us this site right here. And you can click on the option called Get Access in the top right corner. Or you can just go over and log in with your standard Spotify user account or create up a new one. Here you can just go over and do so. They can select if you're an artist manager or label team member. So you can click on one of the options. Go ahead and follow the process. You can claim an artist profile. You can click on continue and follow the process. You can just go over and click on next. Provide in with the details. You can log in or sign up and you can search for the artist or paste a Spotify artist URL in the section. Go ahead and search for your artist name. Go ahead and search for it and go ahead and hit enter. And once you've done so, you can just go over and follow the prompts to verify your identity. This is the easiest if you have a distributor account, Twitter or Instagram link to prove that you are the artist. After submitting it, the Spotify will basically review your request, and within usually up to 24 hours or a few days, you will be getting the approval if it's okay, if everything is filled correctly. And once verified, you can customize your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and social media links. And you will also be gaining access to Spotify for Artist Dashboard to track the analytics, add artists pick, and reach songs to the editor. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can just go over and follow out this method and you should be able to do it. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.